In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wix website pages using a Speedy fix workflow. Creating your own website can seem daunting, but with Wix, it truly doesn't have to be. Whether you're building a site for personal use or launching a new online business, Wix provides an intuitive platform that's straightforward to use. I'll guide you step by step through this process to help you have your new website up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your Wix account. Simply go to the Wix homepage and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to create an account first, which is a quick and user-friendly process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites section, located under My Account. This is essentially your dashboard where you can manage all your Wix projects. Next, you'll see a button labeled Create New Site. Click on this to initiate the creation of your new website. You'll then be prompted to decide how you'd like to set up your site here. We recommend selecting Set Up Without Chat, especially if you're looking for a streamlined process without too much initial setup assistance. Now you'll have different options for the type of site you want to create. Click on Blog, as we'll be creating a life blog today. Once you've done this, you'll see another option pop up, Life Blog. Select this option to continue. After making your selection, press Continue. This will bring you to a page where you'll need to type in the name of your website. It's time to bring some creativity to the table. This will be the name visitors remember you by. Choose a name that reflects your brand or personal style. Once you're satisfied with the name, go ahead and click Continue. At this stage, Wix will ask about your website's goals. You can choose to specify your goals or simply click Skip to move forward quickly. Either way, you'll soon find yourself on the Continue to Dashboard button. Click this to dive into your site's dashboard where the magic happens. Now comes the fun part, designing your site. Click on Design Site to start customizing the appearance of your web page. Remember, the more your site reflects your style or business ethos, the more it will resonate with your audience. You'll now have the option to pick a template or generate a design. For beginners, choosing a pre-designed template is typically the easiest route. It gives you a solid foundation and ensures a professional look. Scan through the template options available, and when you find one you love, click on Edit. This opens up the Wix editor where you can begin customizing to your heart's content. Throughout this process, remember to save your progress frequently. Wix makes this easy with an autosave feature, but it's always a good practice to ensure none of your hard work is lost. And there you have it. You've successfully embarked on creating your very own Wix website. From here, you can continue to add content, tweak designs, and enjoy the exciting journey of building your online presence. Happy designing!